David Gozal, another physician, he published an article in 2016 where he found that snoring alone, just snoring, again, not a diagnosis of OSA, just snoring alone in children. He looked at 1,010 children ages 5 to 7 years old, found that snoring alone has a significant negative impact on neurocognitive development. So we know that there's this problem out there. Isaiah and colleagues in 2021 in Nature Communications studied the MRIs. So they're studying the MRIs of the brains of over 10,000 children that were enrolled in this adolescent brain and cognitive development study, found that children who snored or even gasped during sleep had smaller volumes of gray matter in their frontal lobes.